How to recover X account without email and phone number. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover X account without email and phone number. First, navigate to the web browser and search for the Help Center on Twitter. After that, reach the Help Center website provided here. In the search bar, type Recover and search for it. Now select the Reset Lost or Forgotten Password option. Then find and choose the Reset Password via text. Here, scroll down and tap on Ask Support provided to contact support. In the next step, tell your problem by selecting Forgot Password. After that, select the email address and add the information you asked for. In the end, you'll be able to recover your X account without your email and phone number. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.